How to add sound to Discord soundboard. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add sound to Discord soundboard. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Discord application and go to the server which you are sure has enabled the setting of create expression. After that, once you go to that server, go to its server setting. There, in the menu, you will see the option of soundboard. Simply click on it. After that, you will see the option to upload sound. Simply choose that option and then click on browse option where you can choose the file which you want to upload in Discord Soundbox from your computer or laptop. After that, once you have chosen the song, simply click on upload option. So that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to add a sound in Discord soundboard. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.